Well. This is my second video this morning, but I don't know if this is going to be going out on the same day, but look at you two. My video making machines. Yes. What am I ever going to do with so many adorable actions? I can't film all of them. Well, I can film some of them. Oh, yes, yeah. But what would they do if I were to turn this on? Whoa! They literally do not care. Oh, no! No. I'm turning these off. Yeah, I don't want these guys to eat a light bulb that's on or anything. That would be a bit of a disaster. But you can bat at it all you want. A bit of a disaster. Well, we've got a string. Let's use it. I just saw them pawing at each other and at the light, and I was like, get my iPad, film some cats. So, here we are, filming cats. Yeah, these probably aren't going to go out on the same day. This might go out in the evening, but yeah. My dad is packing my lunch for camp, or I think he actually needs my help, but
it's a very fruitful morning.
That is not your backpack. You are not my lunch, and I am very glad that would be gross. You are not my lunch. Come on. This laser pointer is out of batteries, but they still like the clicking sound. They're like trained to act like there's a light. Sorry, I was showing you the box instead of the cat, and now they're bored. Great. Maggie? See, she's following it. Hey, that's cool. Well, I don't really have anything planned. I did a video about pretending to be my cat, and now I'm so like, I saw them doing something cute, and I got my iPad out, and don't really know what's next. So, I don't need to ace math right now. You can go on the table.
Maybe you should finish with a picture of cats that you drew when you were smaller.
Okay, first I'll throw a toy rat at them. And this is a picture of cats that I drew when I was smaller.
Ta-da!
Over and out.